Morning YouTubers, I'm doing this today. There's the one. Means letting the boy in. Mr. Fluffy's here. Nearly there, nearly removed should I say. I'm going to have to lift up all three of them. There's some tree or something, we'll get rid of it. And then I've got to lay this somewhere about there. Big hole, deep hole. And then the garden might be in some reasonably good state. Fluffy! Mr. Fluffy!
Well, boy, who you wanted a bit of fuss? He says, I want to come and have a bit of fuss with Uncle Paul.
Yes. And be on YouTube and be a superstar. That tail, honestly. Hey, don't knock, you're gonna knock. Hey, come here. That's it, now sit down and now wag your tail. Dust the. Yeah, whatever. I need a cup of tea. I'm having a cup of tea. You want a cup of tea? Digger, do you want a cup of tea? No? Alright. Slabs are up. I'm currently crowbarring that out of the way. Gonna go. Come on. One done. 3 to go. Next one. Let's see if we can get this up. With crowbar. Come on. Nearly there. Oh, the crowd go wild.
Yeah, that hurts my arms.
What does?
You know me sanding. You need to pull it. We'll be alright.
Pull what?
Sort it from this side.
What?
You need to pull the root all the way through. Do it.
It's Charlie Dimmock's cousin. Up you come. Oh, it's so masterful. Done. 1 to go. Let's try and get that up. This is like the Arcturan Mega Donkey gardening show, isn't it? 1 to go. Hopefully you can see. Come on. Done. Hey, quite a good progress. The ivy, I found the root, I've dug the root out, it will die. Both all 4 trees have gone. Wherever they were, I don't know where they were. So now I've got to find the thingy, the old rotten post, dig that out, make it deeper, and do one of those things. Okay, current progress. That big lump there, huge, great big lump. The post's in there. The wood, what's left of the wooden post. So I've got to get it out. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use one of the old post, get it under the bottom there, and lever it out. Let's see if this will work. Yes. Bodoink. There you go. Leverage. Awesome. Job done. Okay, got the post out. Post is there. Just got the big block to get out now. I'm using this post as leverage. It works. Beast. Got him. And gotta get that one as well. I don't know what that is, but it was low. Get in there. Into there. I've got to dig that out a bit more. It's not deep enough. Got to get another 9-10 inches deeper. Ho 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 ho! There's a new one. What we're going to do is slot that into there and then just screw it to there's another post there which is attached to the wall. And then job done. Oh, I've got to put these back. I might put those back first. But quite pleased with that. It was a clever boy. Nearly there. That panel will be there. One more paving slab to lay. They're quite level as well. Oh, and that bit there, 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 and there, and there, and there, and there, and there, and there. Not bad, not bad. Right, pull that in there, attach this one here to that beam, job done. So I'll film the last bit. Yeah, boy! It's done. Mission complete. Yeah. And I've even got the pavement slabs just about perfect. They'll bloody do. I'm quite pleased with that. Look at this. There's a gap of about 10 mil there. So I've spaced it. But whoop. I might want to just redraw that. He'll do. I'll redraw it. But also look, level. It's flush there, it's flush. Perfect. Go on, bitch about it.
You're off more than you said.
That's your wife's fault. Yeah, but if you look at it from this side, I'm not off, it's perfect.
Here we go, Mr. Perfect.
We're not measuring, we don't measure.
Here we go, Mr. Perfect. Apparently.
Oh, it's close.
Is it?
Very close.
Well, there you go.
You're a bit too far towards the conservatory. I'd probably say.
Can't believe you've done that.
Yeah, probably about 5 mil.
Yeah, that's not bad, is it? By eye. A belated happy birthday to Mark, the Metal Detective, which was yesterday. Happy birthday, mate. I'm now, at the minute, just sat on my bench, just chilling for a bit, admiring my work. I'm really pleased with that. Looks good. That was a big hole, really big hole. A belated happy birthday to Mark, the Metal Detective, which was yesterday. Happy birthday, mate. I'm now, at the minute, just sat on my bench, just chilling for a bit, admiring my work. I'm really pleased with that. Looks good. That was a big hole, really big hole. Okay, that's the end of the video. I'm done. That's all I've done all day. Quite literally all I've done all day is that. So anyway, look forward to comments. I can't remember. Let's just do a bit more of this. Look. Can you see that? Yeah. There you are. Done.